This is just a quick demo on how to use the search builder in Chabad Suite. So if you go to the search menu item at the top, you'll find all the different search tools. And we have the great advanced search option, which allows you to really search all the fields in your database. However, what if you want to find a field that doesn't have a certain value or that's empty? So for that, you would have to use the search builder. I'll also show a couple of examples. So let's say you want to find all the people who don't have an assigned gender in your database, and you want to go in and assign the genders because it's something useful, especially if you're using the joint greeting for husband and wife. Having the genders recorded will allow the system to know who to put first and who to call Mr. and who to call Mrs. if they don't have a title assigned already. So you would go to individual, you would select gender, and the operator would be is empty. So doing this will show you anybody who doesn't have an assigned gender, and you click search and it gives you that list. And from here you could select all and you could go to the menu item and update multiple contacts. So that's one way to do it. One way to use the search builder. Another way to use the search builder that could be handy, I'll give an example. Let's say you have l'chaim for your child coming up, or bar mitzvah, hanachas tefillin, and you want to invite the shlochim. And so you know you have a bunch of shlochim in your list, but you never tag them or put them in the group, and so you have no way to pull them up in a search. So this is a creative way you could do it. You could go into contact and email, and use primary. So we know that shlochim's email will usually contain the word Chabad or Jewish in it. So it'll be rabbi at Chabad something, rabbi at Jewish something, or even rabbi at something. So you can use the operator is like, and then you would put in the word Chabad. Now the thing is, if you only put Chabad, it'll only show you if the email is Chabad. So you have to put a wildcard before and the wildcard after. And this will tell the system, find me anybody that has an email that contains the word Chabad with anything before and anything after. And then you could also include people where, again, you could do email contains the word Jewish, and that'll add anybody who has the word Jewish. And then you could do the same thing, anybody who has an email that contains the word rabbi, so on and so forth. Then you search, and it'll give you your shlochim. From here, you can easily create a group or a smart group even, and the system will keep it updated. So anybody who comes into your system and have this word in the email will come into that group. So this is just a quick idea on how to use the search builder. Hopefully it helps, and I hope you enjoy your day.